S&P 500 got to within a whisker of bear market territory, but buyers stepped in and pushed price high. Many are wondering today, with option expiry on the cards and significant gamma rolling off and those delta hedges from dealers needing to be unwound, if price can continue to push higher into the weekend. We obviously heard from the Fed's George yesterday, and she, as nothing new, stated that equity markets are one of the channels through which they can tighten financial conditions. Are we moving from a Fed put to a Fed call regime, from a buy the dips to a sell the rips regime? That remains to be seen. The dollar couldn't find any friends yesterday, and that was pinpointed down to lower yields and slightly firmer risk sentiment. But I wouldn't turn on the dollar just yet unless we see a break below that 102.2 May 5th low and maybe a Fed pivot and global growth ticking back up. US dollar CHF was down almost 2 big figs yesterday. Really weak, but we're seeing it firming slightly this morning, trying to get back to that 0.975 key resistance level. We also got Japanese inflation data out overnight. Core moved above 2% for the first time in 7 years. Might we be moving away from that deflationary regime in Japan? And US dollar JPY slightly firmer this morning on the back of high US 10-year yields. Euro US dollar just below 106. The ECB minutes told us nothing new, but now it's firmly baked in a consensus of a 25 basis point July rate hike. We've got some Eurozone flash consumer confidence data out later today. Moving to the GBP US dollar cable, we saw the prices hovering just below 1.25, record low consumer confidence. However, retail sales were pretty firm at 1.4%. Now remember that inflation effect's removed because it's measured in volume terms, so really solid. And while I'm recording this video, Hugh Pill will be speaking, so we'll see if he can provide any significant information on that front. Gold remains firm. It surged to that 200-day simple moving average yesterday. Prices hovering just above there now, and that was on the back of lower yields and a weaker dollar. Good luck trading this today, and trade the opportunity with Pepperstone.